Hey, my very special YouTube fans out there, I am going to need your support here today. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know for the Tab A7 LITE launch, and that's pretty much it. Precise and to the point, you know how we roll. However, you guys know the drill. Short videos are just not in favor for YouTube, so please watch it all. Like, comment. You know why? Because you are awesome. So if you are looking to buy a Tab A7 LITE, you may not have to wait that much longer. It really depends on where you live in this world. And you guys know this anyway, but I'm gonna just tell you it comes with an IPS display, single rear camera, and we also have seen the Geekbench results, which is kind of okay, scoring around 810 points for single core and then 3,500 points for multi-core respectively. 3 GB of RAM, and it's all about the entertainment experience. Really to have a tablet that you guys can hold in one hand easily, and I have seen many people in our comment section asking for simply this. So if you are one of them, then this is the tablet to go for. But it also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you know what, so many people still want that USB-C Type-C port, probably 2.0, not a big deal here. Last but not least, it will run Android 11. We know and love Android 11 with the One UI 3.1 coming out. It will have the 5100 mAh battery. So okay, you probably ask yourself, how do we know where and when it will be launched? Well, let me show you this first. Not long ago we spotted the following Bluetooth certification. Now this in itself is not really that spectacular. What it does do, it is giving us numbers like the following number here, SM-T225, which translates into a Tab A7 LITE. And this number has been spotted just now on Samsung's support page for the following countries. Are you ready? Belgium, Germany, Denmark, Norway, Portugal, Spain, Sweden, and Russia. And we have seen this many times before. When it pops up on one of Samsung's support pages, it means a launch date is imminent.